Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Okay, everybody, this is Star Wars High Tek. I just got this box. It's pretty cool. Got it for Christmas. I'm gonna be opening it up. As you know, this is just a box with one pack inside, one pack only. But you are guaranteed an autograph in that pack. Oh, look at that. Look at it's face down. There's nothing on it. It's just a chrome packet.
Oh, yeah.
I hope this is something good, don't you?
Hopefully it's something good.
Okay.
Be careful which way you open it. You might see the autograph already.
Okay. No, I think it's like somewhere in the middle. Oh, okay. Lieutenant Endicott. Huh. See, look, these cards are really good. No, Galen Erso, Jen Erso's dad. Okay. Okay. Another one.
So that's numbered.
Is it?
I know the colored ones, the yellow ones are, I think.
Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, Commander Dane Jur something. And Qui-Gon. Let's see if it's numbered. Oops. Not numbered, actually.
I don't know if they put the number on the cards, but those are...
Oh, that's
Show it to the camera more.
Kiteskin?
There's so many characters.
Oh, this number is out of 15 out of 30. Oh,
The number
13 out of 50, I meant.
They're up there.
Okay, I believe this is the autograph.
And
Oh, Peo.
Pow?
Peo?
From Rogue One?
Rogue One.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah. That's some weird autograph right there. Look at that. Derek Arnold as Peo? I don't know how to say that. That's not the best autograph you can do, but it's not the worst. It's not the worst. And I do remember this guy. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. And hopefully we'll be getting some more card boxes very soon.
More Walking Dead coming up, maybe?
I don't know about that. Okay.
What?
Goodbye.
I'm a fool for your love.